Hi, my name's Carolina and I usually look like this. I have bangs and I like to do my makeup in a 1960s style. Since I'm at home and I'm really bored, I thought it'd be really fun to give myself a more 1940s makeover. So let's get started. Okay, so sorry I look hideous. So I just got out of the shower. I usually have bangs. I thought the most drastic change that I can make is styling my hair without bangs. And since I need to trim them anyway, I figured this is like the perfect time to do that. I was looking at a lot of like 1940s hairstyles. I feel like a lot of them were like really deep parts. Okay, so that is like a really nice deep part and it looks so weird. I feel like I've had bangs for, I don't know, 3 years, and then I also had bangs all throughout high school, so it's only like a short amount of time where I didn't have bangs, so it just feels really strange. I'm gonna let all of this air dry. I like to have my hair air dry if I'm gonna be using hot tools later, so I'll see you guys in a few hours. My bangs kept parting, so I added these 2 little clips so that it stays. Alright, my hair is all dry now. This is why I hate my hair when it is natural, because it's so straight and like it has no shape whatsoever. It looks like I just straightened it, but it's just how my hair dries naturally. So we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm using a curling iron and some little like prong thingies. Also, I wanted to note, sorry for the awkward lighting background situation, but this is the only place that I can film that I have a mirror and an outlet close together. I'm gonna be starting out with like this bit here, I think. So I'm going to split this in half for a second, maybe to like my ear. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna try. And then I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna pin it. We'll see how this turns out. Like that. I did this whole front side here, so I thought I would do this front section, that way I can just kind of push all the back pieces to like the back of my head. So I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna take these clips down. I'm going to pretty much line up whatever line I had on this side to this one so that it's somewhat even, and bring that down to my ear. My hair is all done. That took about an hour or so it took a really long time. It's also because I've never done it before, so like pinning it was really hard. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the makeup. Starting out with a moisturizer. This is the Nivea Pure Natural Moisturizer. I mentioned this in my previous makeup tutorial. I love this stuff. I think it's really great. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm gonna bring that all over my face just to kind of have like a really nice even base. Now I'm going to go in with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15. I'm going to be doing this little like triangle thing underneath my eyes. When you smiled at me, I heard a melody. It haunted me. Then I'm going to grab some pressed powder and pretty much just kind of put it all over my face. You know when you watch like old movies, or like you have like old photographs and stuff like that, and they used to have like that giant like puff, and they would like puff their face? Like, where do I get that? Like, I want that as like my everyday makeup. Maybe I need to get like some loose powder and then have a giant puff. I don't know where to get that stuff though. Okay, that is done. That was the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, by the way, in translucent. And then I'm gonna go in with a blush, and this one is in the color Dolly Mix, like a really nice bright pink. And I'm gonna skip bronzer because I feel like in the 1940s that was like not a very common thing to use. I'm gonna start at the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Again, I love you. I love. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to be using the Naked One palette, and I'm going to be using the color Virgin, which is the first one. I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid. And with a little blending brush, I'm going to be grabbing the color Wedge by MAC, and I'm just going to put this on my crease, and that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. I just really want to define this crease so that my eyes look a little bit better. I'm going to be using this really thin liquid liner from Stila. It's a Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Then I'm also going to be putting on mascara. using Chanel's Gabrielle, which is like this really bright red. going to start to take all of these pieces down. Hopefully they are curly and I didn't just waste an entire day. Oh my god, there's so many pins in here. Okay, the moment of truth. Stop! Well, I have no idea what to say about this. This might be like the funniest thing that's ever happened to me. I'm sure I can like style it properly. I'm going to change, get dressed, and then I'm gonna brush it out and see if I can make it look a little bit more 40s-ish. I was kind of thinking of wearing this dress just because it has that like 1940s kind of style to it, so I thought it would look really nice. This is pretty much what I am dealing with right now. I'm going to run my fingers through it. See what I mean? Like my hair just does not curl properly. I have like a little wire brush which actually works a little bit better.
I heard a melody, it haunted me from the start.
Okay, maybe if I add a flower, it will help.
Symphony, sing when the strings of my heart.
Wish I had two of the same color, like that. I hate it so much. This looks so bad.
All nature seemed to be in perfect harmony. Sing with the strings of my heart. Your eyes made skies seem blue again. What else could I do again? But keep on repeating again and again, I love you, I love you.
Okay, so this is pretty much the final look. I'm not 100% happy with it. My hair is already falling out, which is really annoying. I hate that. My hair does not hold curls very well, so it is a little frustrating. It was kind of fun just to try something a little bit different, even though it was a little bit more experimental and it wasn't like a full-on tutorial or anything like that. So I'm just going to wrap up this video here. I hope you guys liked it and found it somewhat enjoyable. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, make sure to turn on your post notifications because I've been posting so much lately. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!